Imagine stepping into a time machine that takes you back to the golden era of American cars. But when you open your eyes, you're sitting in a car packed with futuristic technology. This is not a dream. This is the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air. A bold fusion of 1950s nostalgia and cutting-edge automotive engineering. But here's the question. Is this modern revival just a tribute, or does it truly live up to the legend of the Bel Air? Stick around, because what you're about to see might surprise you. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends who love cars, especially those who adore classic American icons. You won't want to miss our upcoming reviews on other future legends. Exterior design. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Bel Air is its timeless silhouette. At a glance, it feels like a respectful nod to the beloved 1957 Bel Air. Long, elegant lines, a two-tone paint job, and plenty of chrome accents. But then your eyes catch the futuristic LED taillights, designed in a sculpted, fin style that glows like neon art on the road. Up front, the headlights are circular, a clear homage to the past, but they now feature modern LED halo rings with an aggressive light signature. The grille is larger, bolder, and blends vintage chrome with a sleek, aerodynamic mesh. It's not just retro, it's retro reimagined for the 21st century. But here's the curiosity. Chevrolet didn't just update the looks. They've hidden modern aerodynamics under that nostalgic skin, making it not only stylish, but also practical for today's performance demands. Interior. Step inside, and it feels like you're entering a classic diner booth, reimagined as a luxury lounge. The quilted leather seats in cream, accented by turquoise trim, scream 1950s Americana. The dashboard, however, is a perfect balance of vintage curves and digital sophistication. Right at the center, you'll find a wide touchscreen infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation with augmented reality overlays. The digital gauge cluster is customizable, but styled to resemble retro dials, giving you that old-school vibe with futuristic function. The interior lighting. At night, the Bel Air's cabin glows softly with retro-inspired turquoise ambient lighting, making you feel like you're cruising through Miami in 1957. But with Wi-Fi and a premium Bose sound system at your fingertips. Performance. Now here's where things get very interesting. Under the hood, the 2026 Bel Air comes with two options. A 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with over 300 horsepower designed for efficiency and daily driving. A 5.3-liter V8 option delivering close to 430 horsepower, giving purists that authentic rumble they crave. But the real surprise? Chevrolet is rumored to be testing an all-electric Bel Air EV version, which could combine silent acceleration with retro charm. Imagine a Bel Air going from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. That's not just nostalgia, that's evolution. Handling-wise, the Bel Air isn't just a cruiser. Thanks to adaptive suspension and lightweight materials, it feels stable at high speeds, comfortable on long drives, and confident in sharp turns. Technology and safety. The Bel Air may look like a throwback, but it's packed with next-gen driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance with pedestrian detection, 360-degree cameras, and here's the kicker. The rear view mirror doubles as a digital display, showing you a panoramic camera view for full visibility. Why the Bel Air matters in 2026. Some might ask, thoughtful, why bring back a classic? Short pause. The truth is, the Bel Air was more than just a car. It was a cultural icon. Chevrolet knows this, and instead of creating just another SUV, they've given enthusiasts something bold, something emotional, and something that bridges 3 generations of car lovers. This car isn't just for collectors, it's for young drivers who want a stylish, retro ride, for families who want safety and comfort, and for nostalgia seekers who want to relive the golden days, but without sacrificing modern convenience. So, what do you think? Has Chevrolet nailed the balance between heritage and innovation with the 2026 Bel Air? Or is it just a flashy tribute that can't capture the soul of the original? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the rebirth of an icon, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with every classic car fan you know. Because if the Bel Air is truly back for 2026, one thing's for sure. It's not just a car. Excited. It's a statement.